Republic of Nigeria. I am delighted to visit you again in this beautiful city of Kano. Of course, as you know, and as I mentioned to the Royal Emir this morning when I paid in the courtesy call, I am an adopted son of Kano State. I love the founders of Kano State. My visit to the area this morning, while talking to His Royal Highness, I told him that the President asked me to wish him well on his 50th year on the throne. And I told him that when he was actually coronated to be on the throne, I was just a little kid, just 2 years old at the time. And he didn't waste time to still remind me I'm still a kid. And we had a wonderful time with him. Your Excellency, I'm here today in good company. I came with the Honorable Chairman of the House Committee on Agriculture of the National Assembly, Honorable Gona. Also here is your own son in Kano, my old friend, Honorable Moni. And of course, just your neighbor, Honorable Keita. Your Excellency, Kano State is strategic for the agricultural programs of the federal government of Nigeria. I am always impressed with the dedication, passion, and commitment of the government to the emancipation of the economic fortunes of the people of Kano, especially in the agricultural sector. The range of reforms and programs and special attention to the issues of job creation and enterprise development are innovative here in Kano. The lend example to other states in the country. I wish to commend you, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor, and your able Honorable Commissioner of Agriculture